going to do multiplication and division of using factors today. So as I explained before, we're not going to use the traditional way of how to multiply. We're going to do some examples here, and I'm going to explain it to you, okay? So the first example that I was saying that I was going to explain was this one, 16 times 25. So when were you going to use factors? What I want you to think is how is the quickest way that you can do it. And it takes some time to practice on how to do it, but you will get used to it. So the first thing that I want you to show you is that I have here a 25. Because I have a 25, immediately my brain goes into looking for something. Who has an idea what is my brain thinking of? Yes. Fives. That's a good example. I can go into 5, but it's another thing that I'm thinking of multiplying the 25 times something that is going to make my operations easier. You're thinking about a 10? It's close to 10, but I'm thinking, what am I going to do to the 25 so that it becomes easier in my operation? Anyone? Any ideas? Yes, Zoe.
Are you going to round it?
Nope. Emmy? Nope. Close. Natalie?
Times it by 4.
Times it by 4. Why times it by 4?
To get to 100.
To get to 100. So everyone agrees that 25 times 4 is 100? Yes? Do I have to explain that? No. Okay, so I'm going to try to find a way of timesing this one by 4 so that I get to 100. Who has an idea what I can do here? Now that you know that I wanted to times it by 4, what can I do? What can I do to the 16, Chloe?
Times it by 4.
No? Zoe?
Subtract 4 from it.
No, not subtract because it has to be multiplication and division. Belle? Divided by 4. Beautiful. So this is what we're going to do. So I have this 16 here, and this 16, I'm going to write it as a product of its factors when one of the factors is 4. Can I divide 16 by 4? What is it? 4 times 4. So look what I'm doing. 4 times 4. Everyone agrees that this is the 16 times 25. Are you with me? What do I get? Look what I'm going to do now. This 4 times this 25, what is it? 100. So I have 4 times 100, which is 400. And it's done. Oh! There. Make sense? So every time that you see a 25, you're trying to think if the other number has 4 as a factor so that you can multiply it easier in this way. Make sense? Beautiful. I'm going to stop this video here and we're going to continue in the next video.